Justice and morality encompass the principles of fairness and equity, ensuring that everyone is treated with equality and respect. Fairness involves the idea of impartiality, where decisions and actions are just and unbiased. Equity, on the other hand, focuses on providing individuals with what they need to access opportunities and achieve their full potential. Together, these concepts form the foundation of a just and moral society, where all are valued and empowered. The exploration of the philosophical foundations of justice and morality delves into the fundamental principles that govern human interaction and societal norms. Justice and morality play a pivotal role in shaping the foundation and functioning of societal structures and institutions, influencing laws, policies, and governance. They serve as the guiding principles that ensure fairness, equality, and ethical conduct within a society, laying the groundwork for trust and cohesion among its members. The ethical implications of fairness and equity in decision-making processes are crucial to consider, as they impact the distribution of resources and opportunities within society. The intersection of justice, morality, and law is a complex and intricate web of philosophical and ethical considerations, where the principles of right and wrong, fairness, and legal regulations intertwine. This intersection forces individuals and societies to navigate through moral dilemmas, legal constraints, and the pursuit of justice. Fairness and equity have a profound psychological and emotional impact on individuals, influencing their sense of justice, self-worth, and belonging. The exploration of contemporary issues and dilemmas related to justice and morality in modern society sheds light on the complexities of human behavior and societal norms. Exploring the importance of education and equal opportunity for all in creating a more just and equitable society.